world is fucked. Inflation's here, the governments are out to fuck you, you need to get rich quick. There are people inside of Tate, 17-year-old kids making thousands and thousands of dollars a day. Nobody has a Bugatti.
Nobody.
And bro, people have Lambos, blah, blah. No one has a Bugatti.
No
Fucking
one.
Nobody. And I bought this car purely for the network because I wanted to meet other Bugatti owners to make more money. So it wasn't even about the car for me. But the car is a pretty good bonus.
It is a nice bonus.
It is a nice bonus. But when all the other people I meet with Bugatti start joining the War Room Network, it's more money and more influence, more power. When I first wanted to buy this car, I thought that is so much money. And now it's a blip on the radar. In the last 2 years during the pandemic, we've got so much richer. This has gone from a considerable purchase to a meh.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Money is not real.
It's super not.
Money is just numbers on a screen. Go to the calculator app on your phone and type in numbers on a screen. That's all money is. It's literally garbage. And people are sitting out there going, they ain't got any.
They don't realize how wrecked they're getting.
They don't know that the whole world is fucked. Inflation's here, the governments are out to fuck you, you need to get rich quick. And once you hack the system, once you realize how the matrix truly works, you can completely escape. There are people inside of Tate, 17-year-old kids making thousands and thousands of dollars a day. 17-year-olds from fucking Puerto Rico. It's incredible.
They always say it's amazing as well because they're like, wait, it was this the whole time?
Money is,
like,
is that easy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. If you just listen.